Hello, good evening. Uh, Dr. Cayetano, Valentong, and Sir Marmelo. We are to present the system entitled Efficiency and Innovation in Education. Uh, it's like a school management system of Lyceum of Tingloy, San Roque. First to present is Mr. Wong. May uh, Sir Wong. Sir Wong.
Hi, good evening, everyone. Allow me to present to you our presentation for tonight regarding our project for advanced software engineering and advanced database. Sir Estero, kindly put in slideshow the presentation. Okay. As our project is entitled Efficiency and Innovation in Education, an in-depth study on the implementation of the Lyceum LTSRI School Management System at Lyceum of Tingloy, the San Roque Incorporated. Website development and learning LMS are crucial for managing educational content, tracking progress, and providing a centralized platform. It streamlines the learning process, improves student engagement, and provides a more efficient learning experience for educators and learners. Next slide, please. For the importance and introduction of the system, one of our importance are revision in curriculum, which the LMS can efficiently create and manage online courses, track student progress, and provide valuable feedback to both students and teachers in a centralized platform, which can save time and reduce administrative workload to all users. Improve student engagement is the second one, provides interactive learning experience, personalized pacing, boosted motivation engagement, leading to better learning outcomes. It also provides immediate feedback on student progress. Third one is convenient multimedia delivery. It enables the delivery of multimedia content such as videos, audio recordings, and interactive quizzes. It also enhances the education experience for students. The objective the objectives of the system are the following: improve communication, which enhance communication among all users, fostering better collaboration and understanding. To streamline administration, efficiently manage administrative and academic work, organization and retrieval of information, saving time and resources. Third is enhance user engagement, provide digital platform for engagement, boosting involvement, interest in various educational activities. Fourth one is to boost system user performance, improve the use of and utilization of the system, ensuring optimal performance and functionality for all users. Here, the significance of the SMS integration in a learning management system. I think this was already presented. Next slide, please. The scope and limitation of the study. For the user levels, the system consists of three user levels, such as administrators, teachers, and students, each with specific roles and capabilities, ensuring the efficient and secure access to the system. The limitation of this of the project or the study is the SMS feature that we have in place. The system's SMS feature does not support sending message blast, only the 1:1 send message, with this limitation addressed through alternative communication channels It is because since we have out manpower in this project, we have just availed the trial version of the license of Twilio. So in the future for improvement, we can avail the paid license for the subscription of the Twilio for the SMS feature. Here are the user levels in the LMS for administrator level that has full access and capabilities for the system and management and administration. 2 is the teacher level, management classes, send and view message, monitor student progress, and more. Our apologies, the administrator level is number 1, and the 2 is teacher level, and the third one is the student level, access class materials, assignments, and communication with teachers and peers. Here are the benefits of the study. Enhanced communication, improved communication channels leading to more and connected, collaborative, and engaging educational environment. Second, streamlined administration, efficient organization and management of tasks, ensuring smooth operational and process in educational institution. Third is student engagement, enhanced student involvement and interaction, leading to more dynamic and interactive learning experience. For the conclusion, first is the efficiency in education. The implementation of this LMS with integration of SMS feature leads to improved educational process and outcomes. Also enhance the learning experience. Students are provided with more engaging, interactive, and personalized learning experience, leading to better learning outcomes. Third is the streamlined communication. A more connected and collaborative education environment is fostered through improved communication channels and streamlined administration. Okay, for the second presentation, allow us to share what we have developed for the past days. Sir Estero, kindly share the website that we have developed. Thank you.
Thank you. Sir, Sir Wong, yung front page.
Okay. Okay, thank you. From the for the main page of this, showing on your screen is the main page of the website entitled Lyceum of Ting Lloyd de San Roque Incorporated. For the navigation page, we have designed it to have a home tab, about programs and pages, also the contact. So we designed the system based from the pictures what we have gathered from the Facebook page of the school. Okay, that shows the programs offered, Technovac track, DepEd logo, and the saying that we are accepting enrollees for this past year, school year 2023 and 2024, and the requirements. Allow us to address the question of Sir Cayetano. As of the moment, sir, we haven't implemented or deployed the website or the systems. Okay, so okay, thank you so much for the question. Sir Steno, kindly go back to the homepage, please. Okay, once we scroll down the main page, okay, it will display the about us, displaying the mission vision. Okay. Also scroll down the core values of the school. Okay. The courses, as we go along, going down, the courses of the programs offered, which is as you see, STEM, ABM, UHMM, MSS, General Academic Strand, and the following. Okay, so second tab from the navigation page bar is the about. So here we encoded the history of the school. Okay, it is in Batangas. It is located in Batangas City. Okay, next are the programs. There's also the programs offered displayed in the main page. Okay, so for the bottom part, allow us to share to show you the footer. We uh, encoded here the contact, which are follows: the location, the contact number, and the email address of the school. Okay, and allow me to go to the pages for the testimonials. Here the sample design for the what we have researched for the executives of the school. They are Miss Donna Mayra Abante Garcia, Doc Melo Villanueva Abante, and Miss Vanessa Nelio Abante. For the testimonial, uh, for example, here are the samples, just a wild guess of names, then a sample of student testimonials that can be in place here on this page. Okay, for the contact, we have placed from the left pane, the address, contact number and email address, and from the center area is the maps of the for the stakeholders to locate the system. Okay, so I think that's it. So, Sir Condado, take it away.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Wong. Okay. This is the system that we do. This is LTSRI or Lyceum Mackinloy de San Roque Incorporated. This system is built using SAMP PHP language, 5.6 version of SAMP. The front page, we can see that we have 3 level of users. Okay. Dr. Baluntong. Yes, sir. We will upload this website, the system in the website hosting. Okay. We have 3 level of user, student, teachers, and administrator. So first we will go to the teacher's account. Okay. Uh, this this is teacher's account module. Okay. In the left side of the module, we have class notifications where teacher can message students and notify uh, if they have activities or something na for mga activities yan. And then message box sa backpack or assignments can be viewed, and then downloadables. This the teacher can upload documents like PDF, uh, doc files, and then they can send this to the students. The teachers can add announcement to their class and add assignments, and then quiz. The actual teacher can send shared files, can view files of the students when they send assignment. For example, so this is class of Miss Teacher Maria Teresa Plastina. So this is the students of STEM 1B, section STEM 1B, English 1. The teacher can add students in their classes, like this one. Like example, this is IT1B already. So IT STEM 1B is already added. All uh, students in the section IT1B is already added to Miss Plastina's section. For example, main transfer ng section. Maybe Enrique Mendoza. Check Enrique Mendoza. Enrique Mendoza. Si Mendoza, Noni. And then assignments. Sample. The teacher will give assignment to the students. Sample this one. The teacher can So you can send this to teach to students. IT1B students. So, sample is Noni Mendoza. Mendoza Noni. This is the activity that sent by the teacher. The student can view this assignment. Dapat mag-download. So this is the assignment, sample assignment that sent by teacher. So it's HTML tagging and heading, coding sample. But the student can send the assignment to the teacher. And also the student can view all his classmates, the name of his classmates, and the announcement. The student also can also view all the school calendar or ano uh, the activity or the announcement made by teachers during the calendar. Teacher and admin can put announcement in the calendar. So students can only view the calendars. Next, we'll go back to the teacher account. Notification. The teacher can send message to co-faculty and students. So, sample for teacher. Miss Rostina will send message to Mr. Antonio Haban. STEM 1B. Send. May notification na nag-send yung message kay Doc Haban, kay Sir Habana, and then teacher can also send message to students. So all students, example kay Mendoza, memory. So Habates and knowledge, Mendoza. We will check the message. First to uh, Miss Mendoza, the student. So, occupation message. So this is the message sent by Miss Plastina, teacher of Noli Mendoza. Okay. Next, we'll check the message sent of co-teacher to Mr. Haban. We log in Mr. Haban. Message. So this message was sent by Miss Plastina to Dr. Haban. So, so viewing ng grades. And then what else? Now we'll go to the system administrator. Okay. So here, admin can add subject session in class, and then admin can also add additional administrator in the system. So all functionalities of the admin, uh, yan, and then of course the students, the admin can add students also the teacher. Content, this content is yung content like mission, calendar, will be viewing the front page of the system like this: home, about, calendar, contacts, campuses, history, and developer. So here, so mission, all the data is taken from the website of um, Tingloy in Facebook account. Also calendar. During the implementation of the project, we need to naman listen. Ah, ah, Doc, Nikki Cayetano, we're planning to up this site sa GoDaddy para meron pang hosting domain. So para meron siyang like uh, planning to name the website LTSRI or lyceumoftingloy.com.edu.ph or something. Yan po yung modules from Google Classroom. Yan. Noted po, i-check ko po yung mga comments sa Google Classroom tsaka Zoom. Yes, thank you, Doc Nikki. So, continue. So, this is the content of the calendar. This is the calendar of activities of the school. You can edit, you can add, and edit the content. You can add. The calendar is nagbago siya. Next is history campuses. So this Tingloy has only one branch as of now. And then coming events. Coming events for the school. User, the admin can also add school year like 2024, 2025 as well. The list of teachers, list of students, department. So I think that's all yung functional system. Thank you, Doc Nikki and Doc Baluntong. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. Thank you po.
Yan, okay naman ang mga panel. Thank you so much, mga docs. Okay, so again, nakita niyo yung mga suggestion nila, ano?
Yes, sir.
Okay naman, ano, maganda naman, ano naman, nakalinya naman sa ano ng ano. Okay, so tama naman noon during the implementation of the project, may recommend using cloud computing. May free naman ang cloud, saka ano, may free ang cloud. Tapos yung sinasabi ni Sir Nicky na blockchain technology, madali lang naman yan. Sa
Ay, sige, sir.
for security yan.
Opo.
Securities. Noted, sir.
Doc
Ayun,
Melo, sige
ang
po.
isa na lang ang request ko, no? May request, no? Sana, yung, let's say, for example, next sem, kung mayroong gagawa sa inyo ng project, alam ko individual yan, no? Kung,
Yes, sir.
oo, alam ko individual ang thesis ninyo or capstone. May request,
Yes, po.
baka pwede i-continue kung ano. Or kung magkakaroon pa naman tayo ng subject na ako yung professor nyo, itutuloy nyo na hanggang sa matapos natin. Tapos yun, baka pwedeng i-ano lang muna natin sa kasi magkano ang monthly nga ulit? Pa-verify din ng payment kung magkano yung monthly or yearly ba o paano ha?
Ay, sa subscription, sir, ng ano.
At saka yung pangalan.
Ay, okay, sir. Sige po.
Pasuyo ako, palambing ako ha. Para maano
Okay,
natin.
po.
Para talaga mapakinabangan yung ninyo, project ninyo. Para kapag may accreditation, masasabi naman ni Perpetual Binyan na mayroong project sana na-implement. Lalo kung halimbawa i-accredit ang ang MIT, no, Masters ng
Yes, sir.
IT. Makakapagpakita tayo ng talagang na may output ang estudyante ng kahit hindi pa capstone.
Yes, sir.
Opo, Doc.
Pero for the meantime, siguro pwedeng kukuha muna tayo ng free na web hosting at saka yung free na pero mag-verify na rin tayo kung magkano yung kahit yung name muna
Ayun sa domain po.
sa domain o kaya yung web hosting ha. Bot na lang, okay?
Sige
Okay,
po,
sir.
Doc.
Okay,
Makipag-coordinate lang po kami, Doc, if ever sa
Ha?
mga dito. Makipag-coordinate lang po kami if ever sa mga
Yes,
details.
please. Kung hindi nyo man ako maging professor next ano na lang, mag-coordinate pa tayo para mapakinabangan yung ginawa nyo, ha?
Okay, sir. Sige po.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
thank you
Yes,
so
Doc.
much. Good evening. Good luck to your next subjects. Kailan na start ng second sem?
Feb 17 po, Doc.
Aba, ang bilis.
Oo nga, sir.
Almost 1 year, 1 month. Sige. Okay, thank you so much. God bless everyone.
Thank you,
Bye-bye.
sir. Thank you, Doc Melo. Thank you po.
Bless po,
Tuloy
Doc.
natin to ha. Okay, thank you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Thank
sir.
you.
Yes, sir.
Kasi yung school ko sa Montalban, rin wala pa rin siyang website. Hindi ko
Ito, sir,
alam
kasi-
kung paano eh. Kasi baka pwedeng kasi lahat ng school ko may Lyceum, pero magkakaiba kasi ang pangalan eh. Baka pwedeng isa lang,
okay.
tapos magkakalink na sila. Tapos ang mga program offering pare-parehas eh.
Yes, sir. Apo. Pagkapag sa...
Para isang domain na
po.
lang, tapos magkakalink lang. Tingnan natin.
Sige, sir. Sige, sir.
Sige.
Keep in touch lang, sir, Melo. Tama po.
Yes, please. Thank
Okay.
you. God bless.
Thank you, Doc Nicky. Thank you, Doc Valentong.
Congratulations. Ang
everyone.
galing.
Tama po. Thank you, everyone.
Sir Wilson, yung mga pa-note, sulat mo yung pa-copy na ka ng mga note nila.